We will guide you through how to change grid color in Photoshop. Quick disclaimer, skipping this single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, show the grid in Adobe Photoshop by pressing the Control key together with the apostrophe key. Then check that the grid appears across your canvas. Click Edit in the top menu to open the application options. Go to Preferences, then choose Guides, Grid and Slices to access the appearance controls for Photoshop's layout aids. Locate the Grid section in the Preferences window, making sure you are adjusting the grid settings rather than the separate guide or slice options. Open the Color drop-down menu to view the built-in choices available for the grid. Select a preset grid color if one of the provided options gives enough contrast against the image or design on your canvas. If you prefer a color that is not included in the preset list, click the color swatch beside the menu to create a custom choice. When the color picker window opens, select the hue, brightness, and saturation you want, keeping the artwork behind the grid in mind so the lines remain easy to see. Click OK in the color picker to confirm your custom color and return to the grid preferences. Next, choose a grid style. Select lines for a continuous pattern, dashed lines for broken grid lines, or dots for a lighter display that covers less of the artwork. Once you are satisfied with the appearance, click OK to save the changes and close the Preferences window. If the grid becomes difficult to see over another part of the image, return to the same settings and change its color again for better visibility. You can also use contrasting colors for grids and guides, so you can quickly distinguish one alignment aid from the other while arranging objects. Finally, press the Control and apostrophe keys together to hide the grid, then press the same shortcut again to show it.